moment we have all been waiting for. Well, I don't know if all, but the moment I've been waiting for is time to unbox my YouTube 100K subscriber plaque. I've been waiting. This has been about 8 years in the making, and so I am excited for this. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll get a little guest appearance from Rocky to celebrate the big day. Who knows? He's laying down right next to me, but seems to have other more important things to do right now, like nap. Whatever, Rocky. That's cool. No big deal. All right, we've opened the box. What have we got? We've got a congratulations card here. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. If your award was damaged, if you have questions, contact us here. And then we've got a nice letter here from YouTube official. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. That's what the letter says. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, I mean, my channel's full of laughs. A whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. It's true. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, who, the CEO of YouTube. Probably butchered her last name. It's big, you guys. I was not expecting it to be this big. It's pretty huge. Wow. Would you look at that? Ooh, it's a mirror too. You can see yourself. Presented to All Up in Your Business for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. How exciting. This is pretty fancy, frankly. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Oh good, they give you little clasps on the back so you can hang it up and display it proudly. I'm certainly going to do that soon. Want to see what the bottom looks like. It is super shiny and I guess silver. Feels like plastic to me, but who knows? Rocky, look what we got! This is just as much for you as it is for me. This is your subscriber award too. I can tell you guys, Rocky's pretty jazzed about it, if you can't tell. Oh, looks like Bird's made an appearance. She wants to check it out too. Or she's just interested in the reflection that the mirror makes on the ceiling. What do you think, Rocky? Perfect, getting your slobber nose all over it. Love to see that. Thanks for joining us, Rocky. Okay, bye. Oh well, guess Bird doesn't care. Well, in honor of this milestone, I guess I just should take this opportunity to thank everybody, all 100,000 1,000 subscribers, and everybody else who has watched even a single second of one of my videos, or liked a single one, or shared, or talked about it, or done anything. I love and appreciate you all, and I literally wouldn't be here without you.